I want to be a little more patient today, guys. I took a trade this morning, but I exited for like break even. Um, it's just chopping right now. The open, it really looks like it wants to dump, but they're defending this like crazy. I might go short again here. It just looks like it wants to dump here. Nvidia is bouncing right now from the bottom. I marked out the 5-minute range. This is the 5-minute range, by the way. 5-minute range. It's like about the same. This is about the same as the 15-minute range. Look at this. Look at this 15-minute range. It's been chopping the whole day, dude. Or since market open. It looks like it wants to dump here. I might enter on a short. I don't know. We need more confirmation because yesterday I entered on a couple trades. Looks like it was going short. Entered, yoked it back the other way. Looks like it was going long. Entered, it yoked it back the other way. So you have to be a little more patient. That's what I want to. I want to be more patient. Look at this. Rejection, 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 rejection. But I keep buying it up. Like the 5-minute. That looks so good for a short, but I don't even. Ah. That looks so good for a short, dude. I might enter here for a short.
Order filled.
Enter for a short. I guess I'll risk up here for it to make new lows. I'm gonna risk the top of this right here. It's tried it a couple times, right? So there we go. Wait for it to I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Don't get shaken out of this trade here. We've been consolidating for so long that I really do think it's gonna break the lows. So hold the trade here, guys. Hold the trade, hold the trade, hold the trade. Oh, gosh, man. Come on. Come on, go for it right now. Nvidia is dumping getting a bounce. They will try to shake you out. I'm gonna just leave my stop up here, dude. Gosh. Just go, man. Just go, man. Top of this range. That's above the EMAs. Bomba clot. Ow, bro. They're doing it again. They're doing it again here. Can't win. Can't win with this. Cannot win with Nvidia, man. Or with the NASDAQ. Jesus, man. Need to reject again or we're cooked. I mean, it's kind of rejecting. Come on now. It looks like a long, but you know, they love to do this. Make it look like a long, go back, make it look like a long, yoke it back short, make it look like a short, look at this, boom, yoke it back long, so. But if it does go up here, I am out of the trade, dude, like. So this is so there's a sweep on the 5 minute, so that just makes me look. It looks like it's a long setup now. Look at this sweep. You know. So. They swept the lows, but they didn't. They swept these lows. They didn't sweep these lows. So I mean, making me think they want to go for these lows. Overnight pre-market lows right here. That's what I thought it was gonna do. It's getting held up here again. Getting a rejection. Oh God, this keeps getting bought up. Looking like one. It's gonna stop us out to go lower here. That's just what it looks like. I'm just saying. If we can't reject here soon, we're getting stopped. We need a strong rejection like now. Like now. Need a strong rejection. Yeah. Or we are cooked. Or we are cooked. We're probably cooked, guys. This is not looking good here. We're at the VWAP. ES is at the VWAP. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's...
Stop filled.
Okay. Okay. See? Oh my God. Alright. 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 What the hell? So bro. So There's so much buyers down there, right? So a lot of buyers down here. We're getting rejected here again. This is a 5-minute. On the 2, we're right here at the VWAP right here. Let's see, I might start right here at the VWAP. We got a rejection. Might start a short for like a 10-point scalp. We're so close to breaking that bottom, bro. I cannot believe it. Not ideal here, and we just we broke out the opening 15-minute and the 5-minute range. So it's crazy. So strong push. Look at that reversal, bro. They do this every morning. How do I keep falling for this every morning? I literally do it every morning.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna start a short for a little bit of a thing here. Couple points. Reject here. I'm playing the rejection. Let's see if it retraced maybe like to the middle of this candle. Playing into the chop, bro. Playing into the chop, bro. Play into this chop. There we go.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna take it there for like 14 points. Cause we're right here hitting the VWAP. On days like this, bro, I don't know. I don't know, man. They love rejection. They love, look at this, chop. I'm just gonna play the chop the whole day because this is like, what do you do here, dude? What do you do? What do you do? Do you do? Not ideal trading conditions. Let's see if we can reject the EMAs here. To push higher, right? That's what I want. We're gonna wait for more confirmation here. I'm being very, very cautious on continuation plays here because it's very, very choppy. Very, very volatile. This rejection right here, bro. These are the fakes, bro. Look at this. I got short here. Thought I was going to break the lows. Yoked it back up. People probably got long here, thought it was gonna go higher, yoked it back down. Look at this, dude. You know, and I knew it was gonna happen. That's why I went short here, because they love doing this bullshit. They love doing this bullshit, bro. I hate this. Can we just have a normal day? Can we just please have a normal day? There's that short. There's that fucking, yeah. Yeah, dude, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? We might go lower from here. We're at the middle of the 15 and the 5 minute range. 15 and 5 minute range today is basically the same thing. So we're at the middle, and the middle of the range usually is resistance. Like it likes to act as resistance around here, right? So just wait for extra confirmation here. Right here, I would normally enter here, right? But the past days I've done that, back down. So I'm up. We just need signs to indicate that buyers are defending this little level here, this 25,500 level. If we get below, I want to say like 2580s, then we have more downside, I think. But if they defend this level, not a bad long. All right, there it is. So we'll wait though. God damn, bro. Look at that short back down. I'm liking this little rejection at the bottom of the EMAs. Swept the low of the previous 2-minute candle right here. Swept it, and it's not trying to move back up, which is a good sign. So now we need it to close strong. You see, we need it to close strong. They're defending this area here, bulls. I like it. Whatever you do, I know I'm not getting short here, right? Because we're not below the EMAs yet. We're still playing around right here in the middle of the EMAs. You can tell, but on the 5-minute also, we're in the middle of the EMAs, so it looks like it's a short, right? I mean, it looks like it's a short. But you know how that goes, man. You know how that goes. Short schmorch. Short schmorch. It's really looking like a bear flag, but I mean, nope. Look, there it is. There it is. I mean, there's buyers here for sure. There's buyers here. Question is it enough? Them bears is resilient, man. Is it enough? Them bears is resilient, dude. Look at this shit. But the buyers definitely are down there, guys. Wow, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Wabade, wabade, wab. Wabade, wabade, wabade. Oh. 500's holding. We had a huge dump pre-market here, so I don't know if that is gonna play into today's open or today price action, but we were very bullish. It made a higher low, so now we're kind of bullish. See if this holds. Might be a long here. That's the first move. Let's see what happens. So I want to not enter on this first move up, right? Because a lot of the time it's a fake out. But if it's not, we just miss a trade and it's okay. I would rather miss a trade than to be wrong. Right? I'd rather miss a trade than to lose money. So not losing money is not a bad thing. Not losing money is not a bad thing, guys. So if you can save money, save your ammo for when it matters. They're probably gonna try and retest this one more time. Nvidia is pumping, ES is also pumping, so it is pushing. It's really going now, right? But I want to see how it reacts to the top of this new high right here. I don't think it's gone now. Like, there's still plenty of sellers right here. Let's see. It might make a wick down here for a re-entry, for an entry. If this comes down right here, makes a wick. That's an entry. And I'm pretty sure it will come down. There it is. That's a little, yep. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, I love NASDAQ, right? Thank God it did not enter, bro. That 5-minute wick right here is not really convincing for a long. So I don't want to long into that because that wick gives the bears conviction to go short. So I want it to look like a long. Before entering long, it looks like a short, so that 5-minute wick doesn't. Bears looking at it like it's a bear flag, right? So hopefully it's not a bear flag. It looks like a bear flag. Nvidia and the ES is both just getting stuck right there below the highs. If the EMAs hold one more time, maybe it's an entry. I want to be very careful, man. This does look like a freaking short. It looks like a short. God damn. If this makes a lower low, god damn. Down here. Oh, let's see if it goes down here, because that's a very great spot to get long here, right? It's a lot of rejections at this level. Ooh. There's a rejection. Did it break the lows? No, it didn't. The volume, let's see if this volume is good. Nice volume here. I like it. It just needs to close strong. This 5-minute bar, man. If it holds above this EMA, we're good to go. We know we got buyers down here. We know that. This level right here, we got buyers. And we are kind of bullish at the moment, so this is a nice candle to enter on, I think. ES is trying to go up. Nvidia. This is a nice entry, dude, but I don't know. I don't know.
Order filled.
Entering. I'm entering. I'm only, let's see. Barely gonna see if we can make a high right here. Make a new high. There's no way this nice ass looking setup. This is an A+ setup. This is an A+ setup. Look, I love this. This is my setup. Like I love this is the setup that works. Last week. So I mean, it's negative reward to risk, but I'm not gonna be greedy on this. Just tap the high. Just don't give it a little love tap. Just give it a little boop on the nose for me. Come on. Give it a little boop on the nose for me. Give it a little love tap. Give it a little love tap. Give me a little love tap on the highs for me. Love tap for the highs. This is a good 20 points if we hit. Let's give it a little push here. Come on, man. If we break this candle's high, I'll give it a lot more conviction. That'll give the bulls a lot more conviction. And if this candle closes green, if this candle closes green here, it'll be very good for us. Nice. I'm moving it. Moving my stop right here. Under the EMAs. If it doesn't go, we're cooked. If it doesn't go, we are cooked. Freaking love NASDAQ. Ain't this some fucking shit? Ain't this some shit, man? Ain't this some shit? Getting stopped out probably.
Stop
Yep.
filled.
Are we serious? We just can't break the highs.
Read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park every night and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is. And
Might buy soon here if we get a little more of a dip. Here we go.
Drive home and think,
Order filled.
There we go.
they're out there. I just don't.
I'm entering, and
I wrote myself a check
stop gonna be right below. Yeah.
for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years or 3 years maybe, and I dated it.
Because we know there's buyers down here.
Just before Thanksgiving night.
Question is, are they gonna come back? Are they coming back for this? Playing into this bounce.
Choose your fighter.
It's very rangy. It's ranging.
Fight.
Let's see if we can make get come on.
Target
Yep,
filled.
there we go. Look at this. What? Are you serious, man? Oh my god. What's going on? Is there news? There was news. It was news 3 minutes ago. I forgot there was news, huh? It's wild. This range is retarded. It's looking like a range day. I mean, it is a range day. Look at it. So basically, sell the top of the range, buy the bottom. But right now, I just want to buy the bottoms, right? Because it looks like there's a trend line. There's a trend line like this right here. I'm going to draw it out so y'all can see it. Like that. That's the line right now, right? So right now you just wait for a retest of this trend line and buy it, right? If there's a wick, if it puts in a wick like this, that's how you know buyers are coming back in. Like, there's buying pressures. Same thing with you could. It just broke out. It just broke out of this line. There was a range here too. There was a trend line here too, like that. You see, but it just broke out. So that just gives me more conviction to be a bull. Like, as a trader, guys, you just have to adapt. My mistake was I was too biased on one strategy, right? My strategy was not working this whole week. Even today, it barely worked. Right here, it should have worked, right? It should have. This is a good setup for a push out. But no, it wanted to come down, screw it over, and come back up here. That's just how it is. That's just how it is, man. That's trading easier. So now after that push, you want to wait for consolidation, a little bit more consolidation, maybe another push up. But I mean, this is a very strong push up. That rejection, you know, expected. That's expected. Expected. I'm gonna draw the channel out here so you can see it. And again, like, this is just a rough little channel. That's the little channel. Just be patient, be a little patient. Let's see if it comes back and visit this little trend line right here. Expect a reaction there. Might be a little, yeah, there we go. More like this, I think. Nice clean little channel is going right now. It's a little, you know, bullish channel. So hold on. Let's see if we can break this channel here. See if we can break this channel. I mean, the EMA currently is holding, which is a good sign. If it breaks out this channel, even better. Even better. If it breaks out this channel, even better, right? I want it to break out this channel. I need it to break out this channel, to be honest. If not, we're going back down. And if it goes down here, it's a good long. It's a pretty good long if it goes down here.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
Let's see if they can break out this little channel. If it doesn't, we're revisiting the EMAs.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if
No tilt. Hopefully, bro.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's all.
Little rejection. If you a real G here, you would go short here. You real G. But that's not me.
redemption, honesty is
Just be a little patient.
to have. I want to taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
Look, they want to. Look, they want to come back down here. Freaking A.
Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah.
Look.
Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Hard to imagine they push it back down after that big push. But it could happen. Freaking, this is NASDAQ, bro. NASDAQ do whatever the hell it wants. See if there's any news coming up. No, all the news, yeah, 9:30 was the last of the news. Trump speaks at 1:30, so I'm not gonna be on by then, so we're good. No news, we're good. In the clear. I think this was the news candle right here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Look at it.
Wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
They want to go. Man, they want to drop this so bad. They want to drop this so bad. So previous resistance becoming support. That's what I like to see. But you know, that's
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Forget about this. I'm trying to find some good beats for the background here, but I can't. Oh, might be. Let's see. No, I like the other one better. Yeah, at this point we'll just be patient here. Look at that, man. Let's see if it comes down for this the bottom of this channel. And if there's a little, a little reaction at that level, maybe like a wick like this. Maybe that's a long entry. Going for it. I don't trust this. I don't trust this little candle here, man. Look at the 5 minute. That's a perfect little channel here. Yep, there they go. That wick right here on the previous hour candle. so I don't want to go short into this wick, right? I mean, this hourly closes in 3 minutes, and it's putting in that wick at the top. Still kind of bullish though. We're getting real close to that bottom of this channel here. Keep your eyes out. They might just do it here actually. Damn. Getting a reaction here. But not very strong, dude. You know. Way more confident we come down a little lower, just a little lower. Tap the VWAP. Sweep the below the VWAP a little bit. Enter for along there. It's 10. That hourly candle opened. The new hourly candle just opened. We might just pump here, I'm not gonna lie. New hourly candle just opened. I still low-key want to see it come down a little more here. It's kind of holding at this spot here. I like it. It's pushing up here. Not yet, not yet. They're still selling it. That long looking good. Really should have entered, but it might come down a little bit. Wait for this little retest probably. Let's see.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter. Let's see if we can get like 10 points here. I'm actually gonna put my stop right here below the previous signal bar. I need to tap me out 600 here. Tap me out 600 percentage points. Come on. We're pushing hard on ES. ES pushing hella hard. So I just need this to go extra, like maybe, like come on, like 5 points. We was almost there. They almost tapped me out. It was really close. I took it. I mean, I want to take it before 600. We're here at 599 to see if we get a little more of a push. She'll be a little, come on, tap me out. I'm really close, really close. It's really close, really close. Move my stop up.
Target filled.
There we go. 15 points, kind of a 15-point trade. Moving on. There it is. See, I did not want to bank on this breakout here. Cause look at it, right? So it tapped me out perfectly at the 600. So we're gonna keep going here. So obviously I don't want to I don't want to be greedy today. Do not want to be greedy today, man. Or this whole week, I don't plan on being greedy. To take 15, 20 points, get out. Realistically, where you think, like, just get out realistically where you think it's going to go. Like, just don't bank on a breakout. There's no breakouts happening, right? The breakouts is very rare. Like, when it broke out here, how were you supposed to enter? Like, it went whoosh, in 3 seconds. Or, like, not even 3, like 2 seconds. It went whoosh. What were you supposed to do there? You know? So maybe it comes back and visit this now. Dude, the market literally changed 1 week. Last week, no, 2 weeks ago, bro. The EMA strategy would have worked like 80% of the time, right? But now it's just range market day. So, whereas in this channel, just play the channel, you know, just play the channel. There's a rejection here, rejecting. Maybe there's another log entry down here. Wouldn't be surprised. Oh, there it is.
You've been burned into my mind. Now my hands are shaking. I feel the elevation. As the sun goes down in the dead of the night,
Dumping now.
safe and sound. I see it all in your eyes. See it all in your eyes. And when it falls apart, I surrender
Dumping through, breaking through this channel now. See what happens. Close of this candle. Yeah, it looks like they're sweeping the lows, getting a little sweep. I like it. I like it. Might enter for a long here. Getting a nice reaction at the bottom of this channel. Let's see, if we get a bar that pushes, you know, maybe right there in the middle of that. Let's see here. If it pushes to the middle of, you know, we're getting that reaction here. Kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie, kind of like it. Kind of like it here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Might just dump all the way down. Let's see if there's a reaction down here at the wicks. Selling off.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter for a long back up. Playing into the range. That's all.
Every step you walk in time with me. Life just falling, floating with the tide. Even time
Play into the chop. Play into the chop. There we go. Liking that reaction here. I'm liking what I'm liking it here. Getting stuck. See if it comes back and revisit these EMAs, which most likely will happen. I'm not gonna be surprised if it comes back and just wicks this top wick. You know, that's not a bad idea, honestly. Or it could just dump here, you know. I'm liking it. Nothing to do but hold. Just want to hold. Just hold it. Just hold it. Just hold it. Hold through the noise. We're under the EMAs, so it's a very risky play, guys. It's a very risky play. Very risky play. We're getting stuck at this VWAP. This is not a good sign. Pushing right back up. There we go. I'm liking that reaction here. I'm moving my target down a little more because I'm taking one. Took one, moving it to below the signal bar here.
Target
nice.
filled.
Just play into the range. Just play into the range. You know, we're just flipping these accounts back and forth here. Just play into the range. Why'd I take that? Because, I mean, look at this push back up, right? And I'm just playing into this channel, right? You could just hold it for the top of this channel, but that's way too risky in a market like this, right? So I took it at the EMAs just to be safe, you know? So switching to this one now. Like I said, like it's a nice little range play. Took it right here. Could have held it for a little longer, but you know. So pretty good trades. Let's see if it comes back for this for the top of this. Let's see if this 590 level holds for the Bears. Dude, you could have played this for way more. Could have held it for way more here. Let's see if they want to. Now you can see this little trend, downward trend line forming, right? Right now the Bears are trying to make this a thing. They're trying to continue this trend line, downward trend line. If it breaks through here, good sign for if you're bullish. Yep. Yeah, look, they're trying to make that trend line a thing, and it looked like it might be a thing. It looked like it might be a thing here.
I watched you go like summer fades into the fall. If heartbreak has a color, it suits me after all.
Let's go, let's go,
'Cause I'm blue like the sad songs and
let's go, let's go.
I'm so hung up on the thought that you could be with someone else. We were yellow, so electric, we were red, and I meant it when I said you were the best I've ever felt. Were you just a warning that good things come to an end? And when did we start fading? Did we ever have a chance?
Rejecting it right off the top of that trend line. They just put in.
Is feeling the autumn rain and sun on your skin reminds you of me again? 'Cause I loved you like the wind in the summer sky, but now it's too late. Some colors are meant to fade.
This makes it lower low here. See if it does.
Drifts under the snow. Oh, and I can't help but wonder if this is all I'll ever know. 'Cause I'm blue like the sad songs, and I'm green. I'm so hung up on the thought that you could be with someone else. We were yellow, so electric. We were red, and I meant it when I said you were the best I've ever felt. Were you just a warning that good things come to an end? And when did we start fading? Did we ever have a chance? I hope your heart is feeling the autumn rain and sun on your skin. Reminds you of me again, 'cause I loved you like the wind in the summer sky. But now it's too late. Some colors are meant to fade.
We're getting that another kind of reaction at the bottom of this channel here. It's just that the bulls didn't let us get up here, right? So the bulls didn't allow us to make a higher high.
In the silence, I can feel the glow
Or the bears.
leading me where I need to go. Let it show, lost in the night.
Should kind of wait here probably.
Your light is the reason I won't stray. Oh, I was broken, but you pulled me through. Every heartbeat leads me back to you. And I can't hide the truth I find. As all the stars align, we were born to ignite.
Yep. Getting some strong reactions out of the bears, man. This hourly candle just doesn't know where to go. Clear it up a little bit. There we go.
Light it up, don't let it die. Hearts on fire, we'll touch the sky. Light it up, don't let it die. No turning
Look at this 15-minute wick.
Light it up, don't let it die. Every spark inside, let it fly. Oh, I was broken, but you pulled me through. Every heartbeat leads me back to you. And I can't hide the truth I find.
Now it's probably ranging like this now, you know? We're holding the 500s. That's a good sign. It's a good sign we're holding the 500s. pushing right back up. Trying to see if we can make a high. It didn't make a low, and it didn't make a high. So I don't know. I don't know. You know. You look at the 5 here. It looks like this is the range, right? This is the range. It's price action, dude. It's 10:30. Back up the top of this range again. Let's see if we get a breakout this time. They're trying to test the top of this trend line again. This downward sloping trend line. If we get a breakout here, hopefully we do, so we can go somewhere. Break out, break out, break out. It's trying to break out now. Breaking out for real this time, hopefully. Let's see if we get a retest. So we broke this channel here. Going back up. Let's break this. Let's see if it comes down again. Test the bottom of this channel. Push back up maybe. So you can see. We're pushing, we're pushing, we're pushing. Is this a real push or is this a fake out? Let's even look at the 5. Look at the 5. We're heading to the top of this range here. If there's a reaction, let's see how the reaction is. How it reacts to this top of this range. Breaking out, breaking out. There we go. through the 600s now, right? Let's see how the Bulls, let's see the Bears have to say about this. Bulls not saying nothing about this. They're letting it happen. They just taking it. They're just taking it here, dude. Oh.
Darling, you won't be the last, but you felt like the first. Nothing to do but move on, even though it hurts. Tried looking at it all from a different point of view, but no matter where I go, every road leads me back to you. Sometimes it feels like it is never ending, wasting my time spending it alone, wondering where it all went wrong. Can I go on like this? All these memories racing round in my head won't let me be. I've got you running on repeat. It feels like forever when we used to be happy together. Now it's history. It used to be the two of us. You got me tongue twisted up, flustered when you're around. Trying to be chill, but the thrills got me all wound up. Kidding myself on saying that I don't care anymore, but deep down you're the only one that I want. Ooh, sometimes it feels like it is never ending, wasting my time spending it alone, wondering where it all went wrong. Can I go on like this? All these memories racing round in my head won't let me be. I've got you running
Pushing out now. This is actually, I think, it's an actual breakout. So let's expand this line here. Expand this line up here. Let's see what happens when it gets up there to the top of that channel. I ain't forget about that channel here. It could go higher. Let's do it, let's do it. See if I can get one more trade off before we get off here, guys. We're holding the 600s. That's a good sign for longs, right? But getting a little bit held up here. 615s. In the middle of this channel, but really could go either way at this point. We're holding this. So we've been consolidating this whole week, like past couple, probably 2 weeks, bro. About 5 days. We've been consolidating like a mug. Um, so I won't be surprised if tomorrow or Friday or soon we get a strong little push here. But like they fucking up. Like they don't like it. Retail traders, dude. Look at this dump pre-market, dude. Most of the moves happen pre-market, which is stupid. I don't even know. Rejection here. If it comes down here and make a wick, I might enter for another long here. Instead of retesting this EMA. If we can hold the 600 area, it's a really good sign. I would like it to sweep this bottom of this candle here, the 1030 candle. I would like for it to, but you know, doesn't matter what I say. What does the chart say? What does the chart say? Doesn't matter what I say. What does the chart say? And the chart is saying not a damn thing. Let's see. We could come back down, revisit these lows. Oh, getting a little reaction, nice reaction. But you know how that goes, right? First move, first reaction is probably a fake out. Honestly. Well, in this market, usually it probably is a fake out. So, whoa. It's pushing now, guys. It's pushing now. Right? If this closes strong here, that's a really nice little reaction, right? If it engulfs, if this candle right here closes above the body of this candle, around here or higher, it's very good. That'll be nice. The 5 minute. Looking at the 5, creating that wick at the 9 EMA, but I mean that's not enough confirmation for me. I'm not gonna lie, it's not. Unless it's down here, then you know I'll be a little more confident to go long here. But there's still a lot more downside that they can go before pushing it back up, right? It can come down and sweep these candles. That's what I really wanted. Come down, sweep these candles lows one more time before pushing back up. That's me personally. That's what I wanted to do. That little move right there was definitely a little fake out for buyers. Go long, right? All you gotta know, I just wanted to know that there was buyers down here. There was buyers. That's why there was a little push, right? But let's see. Let's see. Push down a little more here. Take out the bottom of this wick. Let's see. Take out the bottom of these wicks. Maybe this one also here. Come on. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. See, I knew that shit was finna happen, dude. I knew that shit was gonna happen. Getting a little sweep of these bottoms. Maybe visit the bottom of this trend line. On the 5 minute, we're in the middle of those two EMAs. Right there, getting towards the bottom. That's a good little. That's a good sign. Pull back we want, right? Range day. Dumping. Let's see if we can get a little retracement or a wick getting put in. They're starting to buy it now. They're starting to wake it back up. This hour, it closed in 9 minutes. This hourly candle closed in 9 minutes. It's still looking like a doji, indecisive. They're putting that wick now as we speak. Let's wait the 50 seconds out. See how this bar closes. It's getting bought up at the bottom again. Let's see.
Fingers on the keys, feel the old chords play. Echoes of my soul in the notes I lay. Guitar in my grip, yeah, it's all I own. Making melodies from dust and stone. I'm dust, yeah.
See if they give us maybe a little push back down, maybe sweep the bottom of this candle if it closes with a wick.
Can't hold me down. From the ashes, yeah, I wear my crown. I'm dust, yeah, but I'm alive. Building dreams that'll never die. Can't break me, can't hold me down. From the ashes, yeah, I wear my crown. I'm dust, yeah, but I'm alive.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter for a long here. Rest the bottom of this trend line, basically. Let's see if we can pop it back up. 600 areas. I'm gonna add if we get another wick put in here. Nice reaction. I'm liking that reaction.
Every chord I strike, every beat I feel turns this dust into something real. These streets, they know my sound by heart. From broken pieces I made my art. I'm dust, yeah, but I'm alive. Building dreams that'll never die. Can't break me, can't hold me down. From the ashes, yeah, I wear
Add here.
crown. I'm dust, yeah, but I'm alive. Building dreams that'll never die.
I like the 5 minute is holding.
Can't hold me down. From the ashes, yeah, I wear my crown.
They're putting in that wick. So you like that wick.
Drifting slow, I lose my way. Thoughts they come and fade away. In the night where dreams collide, I feel
See what the Bulls can do here for us.
I don't need to rush or fight. Let the moment feel just right. Colors blend, they blur and sway. I'm here now, I'll float away. Hold on but let go, lost in the undertow.
Looks kind of good. We can hold it. Nope.
Stop build.
They want lower, guys. They want lower. It's all right. That was like not that much risk. At the bottom of this VWAP again. Let's see if we bounce here at the VWAP. See it. The close of this wick will tell us what they want to do here. Yeah, if these lows get taken out, we're going low. We're going back down. We're dropping here. Maybe we sweep these lows first.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter here. For maybe a little pop up, giving it a little bit of room, just a little bit of room. We need this level to hold here with 550 level. Nvidia's dumping. It's not a good sign. VWAP on the ES is holding. ES is holding. But this is might get flushed here. Stop out.
Stop build.
Twos. Doo doo doo. Nvidia getting flushed. So now the EMA just crossed on the 2-minute. Getting a little bounce. No way it stopped me out, and now it goes back up here. Getting that wick from the 5-minute. There we go. So now we'll re-enter. Oh my gosh, man. Are we serious? It literally stopped me out and went back higher. This is crazy. At the bottom of that 15-minute range. See if we get another push down for me to enter here. That is, oh my god, I'm mad. Look at, why did this? I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it. This was the move I was expecting. I was expecting this move for sure, right? But it just didn't give me it. Timing is everything here. Ugh. So I'm gonna get off for today. Not a bad day. I mean, if you compare it to the last 2 days, but still got a lot of work on here. This trade could have been way better if I waited for this close, but I didn't. So I mean, that's completely my fault. You know, no one else's fault. Timing is everything in this market. The holiday market is crazy, so y'all just be careful. And yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.